What's up, team? So I'm here today with my friend Tasha from work. I'm meeting her. We're at this international food and spices store. So I told her about the Ayurvedic clay mask, and we've both been on like this crazy kick so we can purchase some of these products from this Indian store that have probably like almond powder, henna, things of that nature. So we're gonna wait for Tasha to get here. We're gonna see what they have in store for us today, and we'll be with you guys soon. Yes. Alright guys, so we are here in the Indian store that I was telling you about earlier. Me and my friend Tasha are so into these Ayurvedic clay masks. Today we're just looking at like Brahmi and different stuff. I've never heard of lemon. So I'm so excited to kind of dig in and see what's here. I'll be back soon to show you guys what I purchased. I think the most exciting part was they have food. I did not eat today and I'm starving, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this food. I will unload my hair products. I did show you them in the store. Maybe an overlay will happen now, but if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. So many of you are watching my video and not subscribing, so please subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in to another, as always, Aaliyah. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this Ayurvedic Overnight Clay Mask. Ayurveda is considered by many scholars to be the oldest healing science. It's often called Mother of Healing. This traditional Hindu system of medicine, which is based off the balance of bodily systems of a diet, herbal treatment, and yogic breathing. We're focusing on Brahmi, Neem, Aretha, Alma, Shakakai, Castor Oil, pure almond oil, Argan Oil, rosehip seed oil, herbs and Ayurvedic oil, rose water, mega hair growth serum, and black Jamaican castor oil. Brahmi is a staple traditional plant in the Ayurvedic medicine. It grows in wet tropical environments. It's used for strengthening the roots, making your hair denser, longer, shinier, and dark tone. It also controls dandruff. I'm using 1 cup of Brahmi in my overnight Ayurvedic clay mask. Neem comes from a neem tree. It has been recognized as possessing powerful healing promoting properties for centuries. For those with heat trapped in the scalp and hair follicles, neem is terrific for cooling the scalp and supporting the growth of lustrous, smooth hair. Now, pay attention to how much I put in here and how fast it goes in. Be careful because you don't want it to splatter all over the place when you're making your mixture, and also there's a lot of powder and dust in the air and it's getting in my lungs. Alma literally means sour. It is the Hindu word for fruit tree that grows throughout India and bears sour-tasting gooseberry-like fruits. Alma adds texture, volume, wave, and form. It also adds shine to your hair and promotes hair growth for thicker, stronger hair strands, and it tightens up your hair curls. I'm using 1 cup of Alma in my overnight Ayurvedic clay mask as well. Aretha. You will often hear others calling Aretha soap nut. Soap nut comes from the fruit of the soapberry tree, native in India. Soap nuts are Earth's natural cleansers. Soap nuts are dried hulls of soapberry nuts which contain high levels of sophian. I use 1 cup of Aretha in my Ayurvedic clay mask. Shakakai. Shakakai is a small shrub-like tree which grows in India. Its pod-like fruit is collected, dried, and then ground into fine powder. Shakakai powder is used for cleansing hair, promoting hair growth, preventing dandruff, and strengthening the hair from its roots. Shakakai has most helped my hair strengthen the hair root and help prevent dandruff. I love Shakakai and it's being added to the mixture with 1 cup. Okay guys, we're also going to add in 4 tablespoons of my rose water, 1 tablespoon of the herbs and Ayurvedic oil from Shar Naturals, pure almond oil 1 tablespoon, castor oil 1 tablespoon as well. Next we have rosehip seed oil, 1 tablespoon of this was added. And again, supporting black businesses with the hair serum, 1 tablespoon added. Now I didn't have a lot of my argan oil left. I would add 1 tablespoon, but I think only a half was added because that's all that was there. And last but not least, the black Jamaican castor oil, add 1 tablespoon. Now next is the fun part. You get to add as much aloe vera juice as you want. Just keep mixing until the mixture is to your liking. I was going for a pancake batter mixture, so I kept adding aloe vera juice until I got the consistency that I wanted. Keep stirring. Now once the mixture is to your liking, you are going to want to cover it up entirely. I'm just using an old CVS plastic bag that I had laying around the house. I am going to go ahead and make sure there's no air getting into this mixture because I don't want it to dry out. Think of it like pancake mixture. If you just let it sit out overnight, it's going to have like a hard crusty feeling on top of it, and that's not what we want. So you want to make sure there's no air getting inside your mixture, and I'm double wrapping it in plastic bags. Now you're going to allow this to sit for 24 hours, and I will see you guys in the next video in part 2 when I apply this to my hair and style my hair as well. Thank you guys again for tuning in to As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Deuces.